This is 12. Let's see, my pen works. This is 12.10 today. We're dealing with mixed measures, okay? So we'll talk about what that means here in a minute. But Herman, he's building a picnic table for a new campground. That picnic table is 5 feet 10 inches long. Nice little picnic table he's got there. And you need to know how much it is in inches, okay? So to do that, you got to think here, 5 feet 10 inches. We already know the 10 inches part. We need to figure out that 5 feet. So, how many inches equals 1 foot? So how many inches in 1 foot? Yep, you guys all know. We should know. This is 12 inches in 1 foot. Okay, so to figure out how many's in 5, you're going to multiply that. 12 times 5 equals what? You got it. 60 inches. But is 60 my answer? No, because I have that 10. So I've got to add that 10 to it, and I've got 70 inches. So that one is nice. And this, I kind of like these kind of units because this is stuff we use all the time in everyday teaching. So if we go from here, it's kind of blurry. I apologize for that. But this is also what they're looking at, okay? So this is part of what you're doing. I didn't take a great picture because I missed the story problem here, but I'll show you what they're doing. So we had 6 feet 6 inches minus 1 foot 7 inches. The problem with this, that didn't work. Uh-oh. I'm drowned. Hey, there we go. We moved the picture. So there you go. Let's read this now real quick. Except I'm done. Okay, so never mind. Let's just move on. So this is what I was trying to do, is write a 6 right there, and it keeps not wanting to let me. So a 6. So I can't take 6 minus 7. You can never do that in this. So what you have to do is we have to borrow 1 foot here and make that 5. And we know that there's 12 inches in 1 foot. So I have to add 12 plus my 6. And that's where they're getting the 18. So 18 minus 7 is 11 inches. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 feet, 11 inches. Okay? So that is what the hardest part of this lesson is right here. So if we come here, here's some examples of what you're going to see. So 1 yard and 2 feet. Well, we know there's how many feet in a yard? There is 1 foot equals, 1 foot. 3 feet equals 1 yard. Sorry. So with that being said, so 1 yard would be 3 feet plus the 2 there, so I got 5 feet. Pints in a cup, there's 4 pints in 1 cup, so 4 pints equal 1 cup, but it wants to know in cups. So, or is it 2 pints in a cup? Okay, I was wrong. There's 2 pints. 2 pints equals 1 cup. So this would be 1 cup, 2 cups, 2 cups, and 1 pint. So there'd be 2 cups. Weeks and days. There's 7 days in 1 week, so 3 times 7 equals 21, plus your 1, which is 22. So that one is a little easier because we know that already. So right here, so now, there is 4 plus 6 is 10, so it'd just be 10 ounces. 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 pounds, 2 ounces. That one's not too bad. This is the one with the golden check. Okay, so quarts in a gallon. Let me double check that really quick. There are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So we need to know that for this one, and I'm just double checking my math. So I can't do 2 minus 3. So I'm going to come here and borrow a gallon and make that 2 gallons. And we have to add 4 sorry, I keep leaning on it. 4 quarts. Have to add 4 quarts to my 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So now I've got 6 quarts. So 6 minus 3 is 3 quarts. 2 minus 1 is 1 gallon. So 1 gallon and 3 quarts. On this one, 20 minus 15 is 5 minutes. And 5 minus 2, so it's 2 hours and 5 minutes. So some stuff that, you know, the biggest one is knowing. If you need help with knowing, you can always Google the answers for, or go back in your math, or by this point, you should have them cut out into a reference sheet. Look at your reference sheet for help on the quarts in a gallon and all those things. But this was 12.10. Welcome next time until we teach 12.11.